it because you can't never go wrong with that gel painting. So top coat first. And cure for good 60 seconds. Okay. Now wipe top coat. And I'm gonna using the red gel painting with precision brush. It's so detailed and so precise, so you can draw fun things that you want to. Perfect for sewing, perfect for drawing the as roses, anything else you might have idea of. All right, make sure with 60 seconds here, and I'm gonna do that with the real cute rose. This might be not enough. It's really cool though with the neons. I really like it. That is so cool and stunning. I'm gonna draw that, and then we'll see. We might do this ones on the ombre on the nails. What do you think?
Yes.
Let's see. What I want to draw the roses first, and then. Yeah, I like it. I like the vibrance of it. Okay, so this one 60 seconds done. This one from the box as well. And here is the red gel painting. Give it a little bit shake to make it really nice mix up. With all the pigments gonna be like really cool. So let's do some rose painting. And we're gonna get like just right in the center. And we're gonna start with like drawing is like the half of the moon first. And then you can see that wherever you are stop at your first petal, and that exactly the spot you're gonna start with the next petal on the outer. Okay, and don't worry, it's not dry yet because it's gel painting and it's really thick. It's really good consistency, so it's not runny at all. So you can have extra time to place with this. Get it a little bit. I'm so excited with this one. I'm doing this set, and it's fit with mine, but if you are having your clients that you want to create a set, and then you're doing a custom for them, you can make sure you get the measurements for the nails, and then you can go from there. It's great for also a proms, special for bachelor party, bridal shower, a birthday party. If the clients can't, don't, for instance, if you're having your bread and butter regulars clients already, but then if they have the family member, their friend, or they want to order some set for their friends, and then you can definitely create it when you are having a free time and upsell for your business, you know. I'm gonna do it right there. Oh, you know what? The red and the neon, it's not bad at all, huh?
No, it's coming out really nice.
Oh, here. my gel right here. I'm just putting it on the side because I don't want to knock it when I'm painting. And you're going to do it like really detailed. And then you don't have to give it really a good hot pressure. Just like press this out if you want like to load a little bit more gel painting. And then lightly leave the tips up so then you can get the line to be thinner. And then press it down a little bit pressure to get is more of the painting, and leave it up if you want your detail, the line to be thinner. Okay, you can go on and on and on and on and on about it if you want to. So I'm gonna do a smaller one. Definitely is like really really vibrant, especially as you're getting your red with your neon. We'll continue. And then you can see that is if you want just like doing a painting like this without like blooming the gels that I did it before for you too, you can definitely just do this. It doesn't have to be like spreading if you don't want to. Okay.
And just a quick reminder to everyone, currently we have our Easter sales going on. You can see up to 50% on glitz.such.com. And any product you see Nancy use, you can find it on the official website.
Sorry. That's it. We're doing one more. Cute little one. And we're doing the last one. Hey, Mika. Hey, hey, hey.
Yep, that red on that neon is really nice. Boom, pop out nicely.
So now if you don't want anything else, you can definitely just leave it like that. I just like to play with what I got in the box, like a gel painting colors. I got the red. Let me know what color you are getting. And the box. That's cool. Should we sugaring it or should we leave it alone?
Let's do some sugar. You have sugar?
Yeah, I have. What sugar do I have? Oh, I get the white sugar. Okay, if you want some sugaring, absolutely you can. we're going to sprinkle some sugaring on it, okay? I touch it. You can show me. You can with the task right there. I put in station. And I'm gonna do to sprinkle it. Hey Mika. Good morning. I'm gonna sprinkle it. So now keep in mind, if you don't want sugaring, absolutely you are doing fine. Key it and then you can top coat and you're good to go. Just in case you want sugaring on it to give some texture, make sure you top coat it like I did earlier. Remember that I did the top coat so I can do sugaring. So then what happened, it's only coating sugaring on the top of the flowers but not affecting the gel painting underneath. So I'm gonna cure this for 60 seconds first. Not yet, not yet. 60 seconds first. I'm using a Snow White sugaring. I have these little brush. That is the quick, simple way. Can you get the alcohol out there? I'm kind of excited to want to see that one. This cool, you want to do the flame on that one as well. You know? What you think?
Well, later or different now.
Yeah, and then maybe next time on that. And then let me take this off for you. Press it down a little bit because it's loose one. Here's some sugarings on.